requested video and I've been meaning to do it for such a long time and I've just never got round to doing it. So in today's video I will be showing you what the insides of each FFORA bag look like, because on the FFORA website they don't actually show you what the inside of each of their bags look like, and I will leave a link at the end of this video to my original FFORA bag review. Since making that original product review video of FFORA bags, I now own one of each of FFORA's bag designs, so I will show you what each bag design looks like to help you make a better choice about which bag you think would be best for you. And I would highly recommend FFORA bags to anyone who's a wheelchair user. So on to showing you the bags. So the first bag is the Essentials Bag Plus, and it comes in black and as the main colour, and then there's different colour options for the magnetic pebble and zipper colour. There's 2 compartments on the Essentials Bag Plus and a handle at the top, and this is FFORA's biggest bag, and each of FFORA's bags comes with a crossbody strap, so you can either wear it as a crossbody bag or you can attach it onto the side of your wheelchair using the attachment system, which I will insert a picture of just so you can see the attachment system. On the FFORA website you can look up to see if your wheelchair is suitable for the FFORA bag attachment system. Unfortunately, it's only for manual wheelchairs. As far as I'm aware, the attachment system doesn't fit onto electric wheelchairs. So on to showing you the Essentials Bag Plus. So in this compartment here, so you've got a section here for cards, and then you've got bigger sections here, and then here you've got a zipped compartment. So I've just got some change in there at the moment, and then you've got 2 compartments to put bits and bobs in, and then if you kind of like squish it down, so you can put things on top of here, so you can fit quite a bit in here. And then closing that, and it comes with these really big zip pulls, which again, for the people like myself who do struggle with hands, they're really helpful. And then on the other compartment, it's just a big open compartment, and it's quite deep. You can fit quite a lot in this compartment, and it's quite a good size. And then this is the Essentials bag, and it comes in quite a lot of colours, so I will list the different colours that it comes in, and it's just a bit smaller than the Essentials bag, as you can see. I got it in blue because I thought it goes well with jeans. The first compartment is very similar to the Essentials Bag Plus, but just on a smaller scale. So you've got some compartments here for cards, then you've got just one compartment here for bigger things, and then you've got a coin compartment that's zipped up, and then you've just got the one compartment there, and then again it is deep enough to put things on top, and then the back compartment zips up like that and just opens like that, so it's enough to put like your phone and maybe one or two other items in. And because of the design, it keeps your phone in without falling out, so you can unzip it like this and get your phone out without it falling out, if that makes sense. So that's the Essentials bag, and again that comes with a crossbody strap that's adjustable with the buckle, and the Essentials Bag Plus has the buckle adjustable strap as well, which I've never adjusted, I don't think, because I struggle with buckles. And then finally onto the active bag, which I wanted for absolute ages, and it's always out of stock in the UK. And this one comes with a nylon strap that is adjustable with this kind of buckle, so it's a bit more sporty looking. And basically the active bag is just two big compartments and then a zippable compartment in the middle. It's just very different to the Essentials bag and the Essentials Bag Plus in design, and basically you just fill it with all your things, it goes in there basically. So that's the active bag, and it's like a hard shell casing, whereas this is more like a soft leather-like fabric. Those are the different, so again that's the Essentials Bag Plus, the Essentials bag and the active bag. So I hope that video has helped you understand what the interior of each of the FFORA bags looks like, and will help you decide which bag to go for if you're thinking of purchasing a FFORA bag.